You paint me red in this light that isn't mine, finding every reason you can find to question my love. Remember that it's not me, I was never the one who broke your heart. We both know I've been gentle from the start. So though the questions keep on coming this time, you know that I'll listen, you know I'll be patient with you, you're my baby. Maybe this time you'll know you can trust me, you'll know I'll be faithful to you, you're my baby. I was never cheating, you connected dots that weren't there. You gave attention to the thoughts I never wear. It's not my style, even though it's so clear to me. You shouldn't base the future on the past. I know you really want this thing to last. So though the questions keep on coming this time, you know that I'll listen, you know I'll be patient with you, you're my baby. Maybe this time you'll know you can trust me, you'll know I'll be faithful to you, you're my baby. I don't wanna fight now, you're barking, you bite now, to prove that I'm right now, that you lost your sight now. I'm holding it tight now, can't see through the night. How to show you my light now, to paint these walls white now. I don't wanna fight now, you're barking, you bite now, to prove that I'm right now, that you've lost your sight now. I'm holding it tight now, can't see through the night. How to show you my light now, to paint these walls white now. So though the questions keep on coming this time, you know that I'll listen, you know I'll be patient with you, you're my baby. Maybe this time you'll know you can trust me, you'll know I'll be faithful. So though the questions keep on coming this time, you know that I'll listen, you know I'll be patient with you, you're my baby. Maybe this time you'll know you can trust me, you'll know I'll be faithful to you, you're my baby. 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 I don't wanna fight now, you're barking, you bite now, to prove that I'm right now, that you've lost your sight now. I'm holding it tight now, can't see through the night. How to show you my light now, to paint these walls white now.
Right, so hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good Monday day. My name is Mantazzo, and today I decided to do another F1 2017 video. Well, technically this is a live stream, but in this live stream I decided to actually show out the thing I have found well, pretty recently, and okay, so yeah, sorry, just my roommate it was on the phone, so I just quieted down. Anyway, so yeah, just recently Codemasters have actually released a well, there was a free weekend for F1 2017 game, and funnily enough, there was a few things that probably weren't, which weren't probably intentional in the game actually. So yeah, I've tested them out for myself, and they look pretty good. They look pretty good. Sorry. Okay, good. Should be better. And well, they look pretty good. So yeah, I'll be testing out the debug mode for F1 2017 on PC, and I'll explain everything in just a few moments. But for now, this live stream is actually restreamed to both to Twitch, YouTube, Smashcast, and Mixer. So if any one of you are joining on the thing, then welcome. If you're watching this as a video on YouTube, then still welcome to the stream, and still welcome to the video. And I'll be probably trying to mess around in the debug mode and see what I can find there. So although I have messed around quite a bit in there, so yeah, that's pretty much it what I wanted to say. So yeah, let me now just remove this should work, I suppose. And yeah, let me just switch out this okay, this remove, yes, and yeah, we're good to go. I think so. I could just enable a gamepad overlay, but I don't think I will need that because I won't be playing properly, basically. So yeah, let me just now load the game and see what we can find in the debug mode. So while I'm loading, I will explain what happened and how did I get access to the debug version, because the debug mode is actually a debug ops version of the game. It's a specific version of the game, and I can explain very easily what happens. So if you've played F1 2017 on PC, you might recall that a few weeks ago there was a free weekend on Steam for F1 2017 the game. Now everything was fine, but well, not a few weeks ago. That's for Australian Grand Prix, so 1.5 months ago now. Oh, okay, never mind. Anyway, so the free weekend happened, and yeah, basically a lot of well, the Australian Grand Prix was pretty decent race, but nevertheless, for the free weekend, the Codemasters released, well, gave access to F1 2017, but they actually did a pretty critical mistake. So let me just open the browser and I'll quickly show you what I mean. So everything looked fine at first with the free weekend build, but apparently they actually messed up, and they actually hold on, let me just, there's that. Now this capture, okay, this is capturing well. So yeah, this is my browser, and if you can pay attention, this is the F1 2017 debug depot, and for the free weekend they actually added, well, this depot to the free weekend package, and they haven't noticed that until, well, I can see a week ago. But even then, the debug, well, the game wasn't accessible nevertheless, so they really didn't need to remove that, or maybe they noticed too late. But they added this depot to the free weekend package, and some people pay attention, and basically I got access to the debug files of the game, and after trying something out, it is actually a debug version of the game, and you can do debug stuff. And not to mention that they actually released GFN, good for nothing build of the the game because it had non-protected exe file. The standard game actually has de novo protection, but with this exe they actually don't have any de novo here. So yeah, it technically acts like well, I don't know how to even describe it. Actually acts like stuff, I suppose. And yeah, well, as a free version of the game, basically, I suppose. Anyway, so yeah, they noticed a bit too late, and I got access to the files. So yeah, without further ado, let's go into the game then, I suppose. Let me just, okay. And well, if you, I can actually say, even if you get access, well, if you find somewhere the debug files, I can actually say you need to launch the DO version of the executable. And also, I don't know if it actually will work because this was intended for the patch 1.11, and since then we got patch 1.13, although the changes were so very minimal. Only 2 files were updated, so shouldn't really matter too much. So yeah, let's try and run it with the NVIDIA processor. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. That's ignore. Suppress. Yes. I think I have all the correct files, so game should launch. Yep, it is launching. You might notice in the main menu that there will be some stuff if the game actually captures it. Okay, so we just wait until it decides to launch. Also, sorry if there will be any lag or anything. I'm in the blind because I haven't tried to stream or record the game for quite a while, so not sure if the settings will be okay. Also, hopefully the sound is okay. Hopefully. So yeah, welcome to F1 2017 Debug Ops version. Debug Opt version. Also, if it could capture, that would be great. Or is it the window capture? Yes, it is the window. Sorry. So yeah, as you can see, this is the Debug Opt version. If you in the bottom lines. So yeah. Welcome to the Debug Opt version of the game. So yeah, of course my old saves will be, well, broken as this game decides, but yeah, I don't want to do this. I don't want recovery, no restore, continue without save. Your program will allow you to automatically save as you play. You can activate the same feature at any time in the game after menu. Okay. So I need to get through the setup again. So yeah, let me just this here, and enter the informations. So let's just select the driver which looks better. Also, I can see. Okay, never mind. Can't see. Let's say this looks pretty good. Helmet doesn't matter. I can just go with this one, I guess. Region, never mind. Just let's go with other number. Let's just take something more interesting. 69. Because the jokes. Okay. First name, John. Let's just say. Doe. Abbreviated is DOE by this part. So there's some details, and yeah, we're in the main menu.
Welcome to Formula One.
Shut up, Crafty. So by the normal things, the game looks absolutely normal as usual. You couldn't really differ anything. But if you get to the Grand Prix mode, there you might actually find a few different things. For example, let me just grab something from here, like for example, a class, Brojan, let's just say, let's go with Crash Jan, Crash Jan, Brojan, Crash Jan, or something like that, never mind, forgotten the last race, but yeah, let's take this, let's just say, short for an example, and you can already see in the, well, start menu that I can change the distance to Dev 1 lap, which is my favorite. Not really, this is just basically a 1 lap race. The only remnants of this in the final game is in the benchmark section of the game. So yeah, what else there is? I don't know. Actually, I don't think there's anything more interesting in this, but I'm just demonstrating what is possible and what is not. Things are basically standard as usual. Nothing really too much specific. But even then, you can do a lot of stuff here. But you need to actually go into additional things. So let me just back out. So I just wanted to show that Dev 1 lap. Oh Jesus. No! I'm loading. I forgot that this thing does that. Never mind. Let's do that 1 lap. So we are in Belgium. Okay. Software. Race setting. Let's just put anything, I suppose. Simulation. Quick corner cutting. Nah, regular. Assists. Experience. Preset. Yeah. Except the pit assist. I don't need those. Okay, so finalizing the load. I can see the pending asset group load is 1. Okay, now it's 1. So yeah. We're dynamic, that's random. So let's just get into the session and do the 1 lap race, I suppose. Shush.
Based in the magnificent Ardennes country.
Shush. Rafty, shush.
Okay,
P18
don't
with
worry about
Renault.
making places into 1, it's far too tight. Concentrate on a clean exit so you get good momentum down the Camel Straight.
Fine, if you say so, Jeff. I can already see some problems with graphics. I completely forgot to change. Have I? Desync is on. I completely forgot to change here. Okay, never mind. Let's just, let's not even do anything. So let's just start the race and
Put the clutch in, hold it.
I know.
Clutch out, we're green.
Oh Jesus. Haven't played for quite a while then. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Okay, that didn't end badly. Good thing I lifted. mess up these two corners. Also, I haven't played the game in like ages. I've been playing a lot of R Factor 2, so I need to get used to this game again. Why? That sucks so much. Oh right, I don't have the downforce. Right, I completely forgot. Flat out. Oh god. Come on, let's get Fiat into the bus stop. Fiat, come on. Yay, we completed the race. That was quick.
Okay, pick up rubber and bring it home.
The Palmer finishes P14. Okay. So what is CPU is not doing great, to be fair.
And here are our... And now I'd like to ask you, Anthony Davidson,
Oh,
who was your
just
driver
shut
of
up,
the day?
Crafty.
Well, Jody...
It's enough I hear you through the race weekend. Right. It's probably a bit more laggy since the video can't really discover that I'm actually playing F1, so because it's the wrong executable. So yeah, at first looks it is pretty similar to the standard stuff, but let's get to the more interesting stuff. If I press the tilde button, welcome to EO console. I think you can see it on the screen right now. Yeah, and also I completely forgot to enable preview. Well, shit, sorry about it. Anyway, okay, seems like everything is still acceptable, so... Okay, so let me just remind that. So yeah, welcome to Ego Console. Now, this is the part where... This is actually the fun part of this Debug Ops version. You can do a lot of stuff with the console if you know the command, but it's easy to find the commands. If you press tab, the automatic list pops out, and if you continue to hold tab, you can go through all the available commands in the game. So let's just get into the get through the championships, because first of all, at the top of the list, well, half of the list is the championships, so... And you can discover that these are the championships because they start with the, well, the uppercase letter. And also I think you can actually set grid penalties and stuff. Potentially, I haven't tested that out. Modern Sprint, Modern Street, and potentially you could launch some championships by yourself here if you haven't them unlocked. Not sure about that, so yeah. Okay, you know what? Let's just get into the better thing. So if I press any letter on the keyboard, so for example, let's just say press this F, and I tap, and I can see the available commands. So I can dump face. I don't know how this works. And so let's just press enter. Okay, that does nothing apparently. Some commands may do something in specific game modes. Some commands require specific conditions and stuff. But yeah, there are some interesting commands here. Now I don't know if this does anything. Brinks? Okay. Very good English there, I see. Featured event system, load featured event. So that's probably the event system. Force feedback. Add plugin to overlay? What? I don't know. Play wave. Let's just see if wave name. Oh, you can actually test out the force feedback, I suppose, here. So let's just continue with the print wave list. So okay, so the only problem is that I can't really get the list higher. That's the problem. So play wave name. Let's just say frequency let's try front flip angle. Frequency 3, duration 10, then react. Well, shit. Probably need some specific stuff, but so I won't get into that. So let's just continue through the commands. So that's the F part, group states, that namespace, and plugin overlay type, plugin scale, toggle debug overlay, so I can see the debug overlay in game. So you know what? Let's just get into the time trial, for example. Time trial. Let's take a classic car, for example, a 2004 Ferrari, and let's get into a track where a normal track and a known track. Let's just, you know, and pretty easy one. So of course I won't get any times here because I'm using this version, but nevertheless, it's something, I suppose. So let's go into it later. Let's just check the settings. So don't display why it goes. I hate that. I hate that. Full. No. Full. Okay, so it's still loading. Pending group loads, still 20 group loads pending. Off on medium, okay. Okay, it's loaded. Random, it's dry. Let's start the session. And let's start messing around with things, see what we can find. So let's just go to the track and I love the sound. Oh yeah, even my rivals are the actual Codemasters employees, so yeah. So yeah, let's see. So toggle debug overlay, and we got something on the screen. So it shows actually something. So like turning point, but not exactly what I would call very informative, to be fair. So yeah, let's just disable that. Let's continue looking through things. Toggle debug or plugin overlay. Let's or feedback debugging not enabled. Enable toggle. Ah, okay. Plugin overlay rendering. I don't see anything there, but I can see how much I'm turning, so. And you can see with the gamepad at the middle it quickly. Also, I'm changing sides and the steering is still not that responsive as I would prefer it. Nevertheless, let's disable that. Let's continue looking what's going on. Finish line, the animation, vehicle ID would be what vehicle? Hero, I suppose. 13. Right, here we go. So yeah, I can play animations if I want. So let's try this. So 14 is the winning animation. Good. 15. Another winning animation. 16. Another winning animation. Okay, interesting. So 17. Okay, good. So in different hands. 18. Different one. Okay. 19. Different hand. Do we have a 20? Nope. And I think I crashed the game. Shit. I crashed the game. Great! That's the problem with this. If you try to mess around the debug too much and do an impossible command, it turns back, basically it crashes the game and you have to restart all over again. So that sucks a bit. So yeah, let me just quickly restart the game. It should be back on screen in a few moments. Yeah, it's just loading again. So yeah, this is the debug opt version of the game I got access to, and I know this might not actually help me with getting access to the 2018 beta version, but as a PC user and as a user who actually likes messing around with stuff, modding and stuff, it's actually interesting to see how this overall reacts, I suppose. So yeah, there might be some interesting stuff, there might be some not very interesting stuff, but you know, that's why there's trying. Again, I have to redo the save. So no, continue without saving. Okay. Yes. Let's just do it quickly. 4. Generic. Here we go.
Welcome to Formula One.
Shush, Crafty. Right, let's get back into time trial. And let's get back to where we were, I suppose. So 2004 and we were in Italy. Yes, but now I have to set everything. Gosh. Okay, so this. this. I don't want to struggle too much. Okay, we're loading, so still 30 asset groups are loading, so taking some time. But anyway, hopefully the game is running well, and hopefully the stream is fine. Let me know if the sound is off or anything. But yeah, if you're enjoying this, be sure to let me know. And if you do have any questions about the debug apps, you're free to ask, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. I do have my chat application on with the text-to-speech, so I should be able to hear the messages. So I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Oh. Well, my driving is awful. That was expected because I wasn't... Okay. It wasn't even actually proper pushing. Well, proper driving actually. So let me just get into the spot I was. What was around here? Okay, so where were we in the EU console? So F. So we're still going with F, and there's a lot of stuff here. So we were with the finish line. Finish line, play animation 0 for ourselves, and apparently 20 celebrate. Good English there. Never mind. Let's play animation 12, I suppose? Yeah, that's a good. I don't really want to try another one because this might crash the game again. So let's just check around what we have more. Flags. I went too far. So set flag. So I can set zones. Zone ID 1, yellow, success. Let's just complete the lap, and we will see. It should be in the start finish line, I think. I haven't driven the game for quite some time now. So I'm very sorry for my appalling driving. Like this. Also, I preferably like to drive the like there is a yellow flag in sector 1 and the start finish line thing. Oh, can I just restart this? It'll be easier. No, that was stupid. Never mind. Let's try this again, and let's try to get into the appropriate first zone, I suppose. Not good. Why do I gotta suck? Too early. Fiddlesticks. let's keep it to the T-cam, you know. So let's try this again. So okay, so it doesn't want to work. That's probably because this is a time trial, so flags might not work. So hold on. Can I? Yes, I can. Don't know where the zone 1 or okay, let's try zone ID 0 and entering yeah. Okay, that didn't work also. That sucks. That should set Marshall to yellow, I suppose, but it doesn't. And that's why you have time trial for that, I suppose. Right. Anyway, let's see, what do we have from F again? Flags, toggle draw, choose part, toggle active, formation lab logic system, toggle dev table. Okay. Okay, so that's for the formation lab. Information. Interesting. And I really want to display a few things I have actually found. So, set flag, control, fuel set proportion. Don't know what that does. Event system. Like Marshall, debug table, toggle. Close that. So, updating true, so zones. There are 19 zones in this track of partial zones. So, technically, we could actually put the specific flags into specific zones with this. Well, technically. But that needs a race. Huh. Never mind. So, yeah, let's just stable. Well. So, disable that, and let's try something different. Let's, for example, set S and safety car. Yes, we can mess with the safety car also, and we can actually deploy it if we want. Let me just get a bit further into the track. Even in time trial, I have actually tested that, but it glitches out the time trial. So let me get into Delarogia and... oh Jesus. Well... okay, that's Delarogia, and let me just delete this. I actually lose it in very fast. Okay, so let's open the console and let's deploy the safety car.
Safety car deployed. The safety car has been deployed. Launch your Delta. Make sure you keep it positive as we catch the pack.
So yeah, now we have safety car in time trial. So yeah, I love messing around with games, especially when they can be messed around. Oh Jesus. You know, let's try this again. I'm over Delta, but it doesn't give me, currently it's not penalized me. Now I should be along. Now, yeah, the safety car is just in front of me now. Let me just push.
Approaching the safety car. You're leading, so don't pass it. Stay behind the safety car.
I think I could overtake and it wouldn't penalize me at all. Because probably, as you understand, it shouldn't be out in time trial. Lift and coast, you know, so let's see what the safety car decides to do. One lap behind safety car. So let's see what the safety car does this lap. Will it come back to the pit or what? Oh, come on. We're approaching the third sector. Will it stay for another lap? Because if I'm correct, safety car should give me a warning before restart.
We're coming up to the safety car now. Do not pass it. You are the leader. Follow the safety car.
Nice route and...
Okay, the safety car is coming in this lap. We'll be pacing the field in sector 3. Make sure to respect the delta until the safety car is in the pit lane.
Okay, Jeff, okay. I think. Safety car, fuck's sake! Yeah, as I said, of course, since this is the inappropriate game mode, the safety car is glitched, so it will keep roaming until you get off this game mode. So, anyway, let's continue. And I went with A, I think. So, achievements, I Yes, you could even reset your Steam achievements if you really want. Actor, so I suppose you could do some animation changes or anything. Manager, AI, so you can mess around with AI also. So behavior overview, tests, behavior, break line, curvature, data cache, difficulties, view. I think can just basically see what's going on with AI, I suppose. New training data, vehicle. So, you know what? Before we continue, let's get into a 100% race, but without rule and without damage. With damage, I suppose. Anyway, yeah, let's just get into and this. My best lap is 151. Advance. But yeah, just a glimpse of what you can do with the Debug Ops version of the game. Now, I don't know if you can actually turn off the all the things written below. So if you can see with the small white font, there's a description of the game and description of the stuff you're using. So you could say it says so. Since it's from 1.11 and the patch was released back in December, you can see that it's a release win. So we have a release version for Windows from December 4th of 2017, because then the debug.exe was compiled, I suppose, or the game was compiled for that day, I suppose. We're using the Windows version, we're using the Debug Ops version. We're currently in front end, and we just were in time trial. So yeah, you can see the frame time, the frame rate in hertz, so frame spikes, and just the current uptime, which is about 20 minutes since the last crash. So I want to go to game options before, because I don't think there was anything in particular here. Everything seemed to be pretty much okay. Yeah, everything seems to be fine here. Don't remember where Okay, let's just turn down the master volume just a bit, so you could hear me a bit better. Let's just enable that, so I can choose from a lot of subtitles if I want. If you're not playing multiplayer anyway, I don't think you can play with multiplayer with this. Yeah. There. I just set this to 10 to my personal favorite. Hobby eye tracking. Okay. Now, since we're still in main menu, let me just also demonstrate one thing I knew. So if I press U, if I open this at the console again, so I press U, and we can go through the commands. I don't know what these do, but we have clear fade reasons, close all messages, close message, DB, database, set bool, so boolean, so true false, I suppose, set float, so floating point, but floating point something, integer, reference, I suppose, string, so text, and uint. Uint, I don't really know what it is, but I think this one is. No. So yeah, let's go through this. So db actually, these db commands actually let you edit the database in game, just directly in game. Although I am not sure, but I don't think it lets you to output. Well, I mean, I don't think it saves forever. I think it just saves until you launch the game next. So you can change some stuff, but it will not. Well, it won't be there when you relaunch the game. But what's more interesting with UI is that you have the command dump db, and you just need to enter the file name. And let's just say I will I'll just do a file name of dump.xml and also save in XML, because I say, well, technically you can save in txt, but it is actually an XML file. So you could save an XML file. So I'll press enter. It dumps the database to a file. And now let me just okay, so let me just this, and now let me just search. So yeah, now in the main game folder, when you have launched the debug ops version, you can find the dump you just did. So for example, I just did dump.xml. So I'll just open it with Sublime Text. Add now, and hopefully this can capture. But here is the database of the game, as you can see right now on the screen. It has a lot of text and a lot of things which can be actually modified, because you just need to basically check where you can do values, where you can change value. If there's a value, you can always change using the value type of, well, given stuff. So let's see what we could just mess around. So that's 2016. Codemasters, please do not keep the previous data in the game. 1980, yes. So let's search for 2017. There was. So let's go with Force India. No, wait. Force India. 2017. File name. So, let's just see. Chief. Picture name. Only false. Value type. So, variable name for India. No. So we are searching for well, easier to modify text. So let's see. So driver string. Okay, so that's LNG. So do that, you know. So where I have found that before? Renault. I need the drivers. I was actually messing with the drivers, and I got some things to do. Tier 2, tier 3, where is that thing? Williams, classic, why? No. Okay, so game modes, online custom, event mode. So, game modes career. What about just not career? Championships. Career 2016. Austria. Where is what's this? Host settings. Okay, I'm too far now. Now let me just let's do a bit quicker. So Grosjean. Let's say Grosjean for a moment. So career 2017. So I have total of Ross. Okay. Oops. I think I've seen the reference color, first name. Career 400 matches. Okay, this will take some time. Def 2017.
Hi.
Hello, Psycho. Welcome. I'm just searching for some text to edit in the game, I suppose. Game mode data. No. Come on, where is the race? For year 2016, come on, dude. No, that's again referencing last year's game.
For what?
Basically, if you may see the title, I'm messing around in the debug version of the F1 2017 game, and debug version lets me do a lot of stuff differently throughout the game. And well, it has a lot of commands, so I like to, you know, mess around with games as always. So let's see if we can change something here. Let's change this eventually. So 2016 drivers. Oh, come on. A lot of text. 2016. Oh. Okay, here we go. We should be getting closer. So, 2017. So let's go with 2017. No. Not shown. It's not shown. Driver number, color. Okay, so let's see if we could actually pull something out. So. Okay, so the game, if I would like, okay, so what's this? So UI string, so, okay, so I need to change the string, so we will be changing this string, and we will see what it does in the game. And I'm pretty sure you might get surprised, or maybe not, who knows. Now, let me just switch back to actually showing the game. Okay, good. Right. Anyway, so let's get into editing. UI dot Now the command will be db set string. Now db path. Now if you have the db dump, which I did earlier, you can just copy and paste the full path variable from the file. So I have this, so I will just copy and paste. Space. Now we have the new value. So we have this for corrosion. Now let's just add let me just search for this. There is it. Where is that thing? Oh, here we go. So I will copy this and I'll paste this. So if we do everything correctly, when we get to the driver selection as a Haas, we should see 2 Magnuses. I pressed enter. Let's try this. So, Grand Prix, Fire F1 cars. Here goes nothing. That's a corrosion, and that's a Magnuson. That didn't work. Fuck. Oh, that's probably, I know why it didn't work. Oops. That didn't work, probably because I wasn't correctly searching.
Fuck.
Yeah. Here we go. I changed the... No, wait, that's online custom. What the f... Okay. Event mode. A lot of references, so I have to quickly check through. Maybe I've missed something. Career. That's shouldn't be it. Oh wait, ready?
Do you still play MW2?
Yes I do. Although currently I'm playing a bit more rarely, probably because I don't have the time. Just busy with uni and stuff. So yeah, just a bit busy. So sorry. Well, and well, other stuff happening. So yeah, I still play it, but not that much when as I was playing it before. So yeah, just stuff happening. I'm messing around. Well, ref. That should have been it. I think, or maybe I missed. Maybe I typed it incorrectly. Maybe I needed to. Hold on. Now, let me just get back and that didn't work. Okay, so let's check this. So game mode data, drivers 2017, corrosion, select video. That should have been good, I think. Try this again. Let's just add the quotes. Maybe the quote. I don't remember, but I actually had changed it before. So let's change it to. Let's do this. Let's try this for starters. So, game mode data, drivers. Okay, so it should load signs, I think. Now, yes, it worked. You changed, Grosjean. You changed. Man, you changed.
Most of my favorite streamers stopped playing it, so I unfollowed them. But don't get scared, I'm not going to unfollow you because you're good.
Good to know, thank you. Although, I don't really pay too much attention, but yeah. I mean, thanks, I suppose. Right, so that's one change you can do. You can do much more stuff, but you know, you actually have to know which things to change in the game and stuff. And also, you currently may need the quotation marks for it to properly work, I suppose. But never mind, let's just get into the race and let's mess around some more. So let's get into a back marker car, Sauber. Let's get as a non-driver, third line. Let's get into which one I would prefer seeing. Spain. Let's go for Azerbaijan. Nah, let's go for a bit shorter track. Maybe Bahrain. Bahrain could be a good option. So, I'll be doing a race 100%. Slide back, park terminal rooms off. Simulation vehicle damage. Safety car is on. Rules are off. And let's just turn it off. Mission lap is on, so we could test this out. Restart, go for manual. Okay, AI driver level. Let's keep it at 20. So let me just check if I'm loading correctly. Yeah, that's good. That's also good. Okay, so seems to be going well. With formation lap on, I can actually test out some different commands, and this should be hopefully interesting. Hopefully. So, yeah, I just love messing around with the games. Just fun breaking them or just doing stuff. No? Since I'm training on YouTube,
Welcome to Sakir for the start of the Bahrain Grand Prix. We hope you're... With that then, let's run through the grid order.
What?
Lewis Hamilton lines up on pole position, and Valtteri Bottas will line up alongside.
Why are the windows like that?
Keep your eyes open on the run to turn 1 and keep it clean. We want to come out in one piece. Good luck.
8 laps. Maximum fuel. Okay, P19. Well, that's a perfect situation. Let's just, before we start, let me just, formation lap, logic system, toggle left table. Yes, please. So, let's start the race.
Clutch in. Clutch out, go, go, go. Clutch bite is good, gearbox is responding normally. Make sure to warm up the tyres and brakes. Warm the tyres and brakes throughout the lap.
Let's just complete the formation lap. Let's see. some point? Hold on. Did I put something that changed stuff? Ah, debug masks. That's what. Oops. I suppose. That's why it was blurry, I suppose. Well, it was well pointed out, I suppose. So, on formation lap, yes. Maximum time of formation lap is 240 seconds, I suppose. That's 4 minutes on formation lap. So we spent half the time already. Okay, so now calculating for me. Marked. No. Yes. Thank you for the follow, whoever follows, appreciate it. Oh,
That looked bad. Are you alright?
I forgot I have damage on. Oops. Let's just deploy the safety car. For 3 laps.
Safety car. No overtaking. Reduce your pace. Keep your delta number positive as we form up.
Let's see if it glitches out or anything.
Okay, box. We're adjusting the strategy. Come in this lap. Right, come in at the end of this lap.
Driving with that front wing is not really a good option. So, let's just get back here. Okay. So.
Up to speed now. Let's get some heat into those tires.
So, let's just park it up here and let's see. Okay, so let's disable this. We don't need this anymore, so let's see what else we can do. So W, warn, okay, W, so warp, toggle, nope.
Are you alright there? Don't worry about the mistake, just focus on the rest of the race.
Shush, Jeff! Also, shut up, Jeff.
Confirmed.
Thank you. I'm just watching checking this out. So now, what I was actually trying out, so F. So that was flags. So apparently, lap system should work. Flags. Table toggle. Okay, so in zone 2 we have a red flag. Let's just say so. Flags. Flags dot set flag zone ID 1 red. Success. Okay. Blue. Nothing. Green. Nothing. That's 2. Right. Completely forgot. Red. So. Hi guys. Right. What is this? It didn't. Oh. This. Okay. So red is not working. So blue are working. So let's set green. No, that's not working. So 9. Also not working. Well, I suppose can't expect everything to work. Set property, so flags. Enable 1. Zone ID 2. Cool. Okay. So zone set flag 2 red. No, that's here we go. No, that's not it. Fine. Not sure that. can go backward if I want to. Pause 1, so I can completely freeze the game. So let's try this again. Red. And now pause back to 0. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm exploring the old layout. Okay, so that apparently doesn't want to work. Okay, flags. Let's see, marshal zone. Update. Ah, okay. I think I got it. So flags. That flag zone 2 red. Update. It doesn't work. Never mind. So let's see. So what can we do more? Let's try to search for other commands we could try. W doesn't want to give us much. Entities, entitlements, event mode. Exit, I think exit just quits the game, so do that. Rain, B. Offset, high quality lanes. Enable, high quality range, zero rendering, quality range. On. Rain light, render mode, spare times, debug. Replay director, show info on. So okay. That's not really that interesting. So let's disable this. Let's search for more interesting stuff. Replay, reset buffers, save snapshot, set instant replay, rewind time. Time 60. Now, okay, Tail doesn't do that. Ugh. So, what? 10? Rain, replay time, replay. Show info. Buffer info, reportable info, all info. Huh. Okay, so R. Play rules. Flag on the table, flag version table, emotion, issue black flag, blocking penalty, drive through. Also you can, well, I assume you can give penalties, so rules, debug, so let's issue black flag to number 1. Ricardo has been disqualified, that works. Let's see, so issue stop go to us. Wait, that's not us, that's Ericsson. Can I get driver IDs somehow? Don't mem, don't perf, click, hide, and dial to curse, and message, swipe, saves, color, signal, dev, total perf, full, the damage monitor, damage tracking, debug camera. Yeah, there is a debug camera, although it doesn't work proper, I think. So yeah, strange. F line, partial zone, map, and portion. Hey, maybe. Let's see. I need to find the list for difficulties. You get IDs on. No, that's not AI. The drive variation in race, find the table, 4 people variation, list full solver, technical fuel, set difficulty. Let's set to 0.9. It'll certainly increase the speed now. Come on. Fuel mode, max speed, offset, no flag equals. Hold on, let me just try and search for their lane. Ericsson, their lane. What is his in-game ID? That's, I need that. Unique ID is 19. Good. So rules. So issue stop go to car 19. 5-second time penalty. Why is the safety car? Okay. Let's see. technically I should have a 5-second stop-go penalty, I think. Let's see. It actually happens. No, it doesn't. I did it myself. Okay, so okay. Well then, so rules are working, so you could actually give them penalties. So that's good. That issue penalty, issue stop go, issue time regulations, blocking to late entry or exit, car collision. Table, crossing to the white line, drive to penalty, driving the wrong way, enable blocking, car collision, corner cutting, crossing to the white line, penalty, driving the wrong way, briefing, driving the wrong way, expected speed, so enable various penalties. Ignore blue flag, jump start, multiplayer, no progress, flag, reverse to the start line, face, emergency ghosting, okay, and that stop go penalty, remove penalties for lap, go to queue list. Okay, let's go with T for example. Yay. That's okay, telemetry. So I guess you could mess around with telemetry if you want. You know what? Pause one. So we paused it. So let's just look at things. So while we have paused the game. So telemetry, test card, test console, test error, texture streaming, time of day. Let's go for time of day. Configure override. Enable time override. Pause 0, and it instantly became night. So let's see if there are bigger values. It doesn't seem so, to be fair. 0 goes back to daytime. Minus any other value give us back to alright, so I get any other timing? No? No? Okay. So any value gives configure override back to official timing, yes, or nighttime, I don't know. That I can turn back to this. So, time of day. So let's see. This is complete. Pod. faster streaming. Yes, works. I suppose. Daylight clamping enabled. Display for weekend weather. You can make it to so that you wouldn't see the full weekend weather, I suppose. Scenario. Nope, that didn't work. Let's try sunrise. Nope, that didn't work also. Oops. So, time of day. Elevation, sun overrides. I don't know how it works, sadly. DOD, live link, timeline, toggle, debug, location. Oh, I can set it to custom location. Okay. Calendar, toggle, time debug, set time, hour, 18:05. That didn't affect much. What about 20:05? That didn't affect much. Maybe 20:05, maybe. That's desired time. Signature D. So, that's probably numbers. Well, let's try it the other way. Let's try to set it at 6:30. No. Fine. Can't expect everything to work. Yes. That time. Time debug toggle. Ooh, right. Okay, so if I set it to, for example, 4:40. Ooh, now it works. Okay, good. Now I found how to change it. So let's set it to, for example, what's the current time? Where's my watch? My phone just restarted. Well, we have 1951. So 1950. So 1950. That's about. That's quite dark, I suppose. Let's set it to maybe 1850. Okay. 850. Okay, that works. Nice. Okay, so right logo parameter. Don't. Time scale. I can set custom time scale, so time could be very fast. So 20. So that the time could be even, I guess, even faster, I suppose, if that makes sense. Okay, time of day, time scale. Okay, that's, I guess, it from time of day. Let's see what more we have. Time trial cruiser, time for delay, time mode, time board test. at least it needs specific things to work. File storage, get file, upload file, TMR, toggle as debug, toggle control, trace enable, track info control. Steps, baby bug generate. Scale, activate some debug mode. Table to the lowest level, PP cleaner. Tutorials, tires. Tires. Let's try the tires. Type wear 19, minimum 75, maximum 90. Ooh. 55, 7. Still, is it 0 point? 0, 0. It's still. Instantly. 1. Oh Jesus. This should be interesting. One puncture. Oh Jesus. That tire.
Box this lap, please. We need to get you on new tyres and move on to a different strategy.
Dude. That's 2 puncture tires. It's so strange though. I broke it to normal, so normal. Thanks. Braking. I've seen a worse scenario. 100 or where? I've seen a worse scenario. 100 wear on every single tire and having 2 flat tires. That doesn't look nice. Now front? Okay, my wear is permanently bugged. Right.
Marcus is pitting now. Marcus is in the pits.
Well then, that was an experiment which failed massively. Righto, let's mess around a bit more. So, tires, change, 19. Apply where? 19, minimum 0.0, maximum 0.0. Why are you not operating with me? Okay. That's what? What? Oh, right. 19 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Nope. Fine. That's strange. That's interesting. So, okay, change. So if I set minus 1, 0, then it is out well. What if I do minus 1? So load value. So five. Okay. Why? Okay, so apply where 19 minimum minus 1 maximum minus 1. That's okay, that's working. So if I set this to 0 and 0, that's okay. So it's apparently up to 1, so value. So let me just test. So minimum 0, maximum 0.2. Yeah, okay. Okay, got it. If I set 3, yeah, that's okay. Apparently depends on the first set value. Well, the maximum, if you want to fix the tires, of course, you can just punch it minus 1, and then it should be good to go, I suppose. Yeah, look at okay. Map compound, set compound, 19 compound, soft. Softer, medium. Okay, softer, medium, hard, intermediate, wet. So, softer. Yay! Nice. Harder. Medium. softer. I don't have any good. Right. So, for banter, let's just put on wet. Okay, fine. Okay, so tires, that compound. Oh, I can set index of compound. Oh, damage all sets. Set for session. Set next compound. Set physical compound. Ooh. Can I set this to act like ultra soft? Okay, super soft. I have only soft. Fine, I suppose. Set temperature. So temperature 19 and beat temperature on 50. Okay, easy. So my tires are damn cold now. Let's see. Can I do anything more interesting? Set where? 5. Zero. 0.1. Okay, so 0 to 1 and 1 being maximum. Fine, okay, I understand. So technically that should work as 0.01, I suppose. Yep, that works. Good. Good. Tires. That where? Go all. 1. Oh, I see all the tires available and interesting. Very interesting. This is very interesting. Okay, interesting info there. Blisters. 19. I can see blistering. Wow. The blistering is in fact working. Okay. Mapping, so grass, tires, so gravel, marbles, so mud, stuffs, pets, surfaces, go temperature. It's warming up. So nice. Okay, so show wear, show wetness. Weather. Generate new random seed. Generate from data. Wait. Number of iterations for. No. Oh. That became dark suddenly. What the hell have I done? I did bad. Or just doing something I do. Okay, Oh, 4 iterations of what? Okay, I got it. Okay, while doing that, then let's see. Find seat. Alright, okay. Headers. This. Okay, that's the third one. Okay, yeah, got it. Machine override areas. Set. Can I change weather directly in game? Okay. That's the final run, I think. Don't think I can change the weather. That sucks. I like messing around with stuff, although it sometimes breaks the game completely. Can I be done with this? Just end this and cancel. Stop. Thank you. Okay, so where? Generate new random seed. The only thing I'm missing here is setting the weather, or at least I haven't found it yet. Or I don't know how it works with that. Track, maybe. In track info. Track space, track. Okay, so not there, not there. Are right. Okay, so rain, close range, under time offset, high quality rain, sheets, rain lights. Nothing for Z, nothing for X. For C, we have something, although I don't know what it does. Career, maybe. It could potentially be career. Camera. So could go for cameras. Okay. 3, on the camera. Base, shape bounded sphere, show camera, camera, vehicle, list, cameras to stream, 19, so 4. Okay, so these are all available cameras. So let me just change. There we go. So these are all available cameras. So third pod collection name solver. So we have pod offset reverse, of course. Pod offset is the TV feed. Okay. Chase far wing. And nose and cockpit. Quad reverse, quad left or right, and then we have replay cameras. We have okay, so 1, 2, 3, We have a lot. And we have also some cameras being as spectator cameras. Interesting. Very interesting information about this. So thank you. Thank you, game, for providing this. Let's just... Okay, so... Camera... Unknown camera. Offsets. Focus on next vehicle. I can see the rate from the front van door perspective if I want. 5. Okay. And even the UI is giving the correct data for speed and stuff. Let's say, I'm surprised. Yeah, okay, come back. Let's give them some overtaking and the first turn if they want. Here we go. Okay, I'm in a good position. Okay, so I can actually focus on vehicles I want, so... And, okay, so... UI is showing correct data. Grosjean is in P7. He will be starting lap 30. Now the UI isn't completely fully working, but pretty decent, I suppose. So data is although not showing correctly. Interesting, very interesting. So I can focus now on car 8, which is Stroll, P14. Or I can focus on car 17, which is Sainz. I'll get back to my car then. Okay, so let's see, what do we have more here? Safety car is not working, so well, let's deploy a safety car, you know? Nice.
Okay, some information on Van Dorn. They have some kind of mechanical problem.
Okay, I can look into things here. Because cameras appear to have been set here. So how is safety car reacting? Hey! Nice, I'm looking from the safety car perspective. Awesome. Okay, now that's a different perspective. It even has an indoors camera, although of course it's not properly set up. Yeah, it's not properly modeled. Aww. That's my car. That's my car. I love this thing. Where's the leader? So Where is him coming? Okay, so national leader. Kiwi? Hey! I like this. I don't like this, so let's see if we can mess around with safety car. Roll Q. Okay. Let's not draw Q.
Right, some information on Grosjean. They've got a serious car issue. It looks like they're retiring.
Air system, toggle table, toggle human control. Wait. I can wait. Okay. I don't think it's properly set. Yeah, it's not properly set for human control. Oh well. So, let's try this again. You can see I'm kind of driving, but not really. I can't really control front tires. So. Looks like it's locked. Okay, limiter, toggle info. Okay. Control, toggle info, show base car. 13. Camera. Vehicle, focus on vehicle, 19. Oh, I'm in the wall. Unsurprising. Okay, so safety car. Return this lap. So return this lap is on. So let's see what we can do more. Pace cars. Stopped. Okay, nothing much. Sadly. Why? Okay, nothing new. Why? Toggle LCD, okay, toggle session timer. I need to test this out in practice. Maybe maybe I can get it to show the timing all the time. Left, entry, view. interesting. IBL. Not sure what's that from. Integrator, interrupt, invite. Okay, nothing here. Oh, inline custom. Ocon is out of the race. Okay. Anderson is out of the race. Okay, options. Or deeper something else. Label. Speed. Or PDR, PDS, perf capture, perf equals. Effects. Most effects, I guess. Let's see. Physics allow vehicle to leave carriage. Force drive-through. Force stop-go. Pit all vehicles. Pit all vehicles. Next lap. That should be fun. So, P. Perfect. A. Physics. Allow able to leave carriage. Go. Vehicle. Which blind for the vehicle. Some fixes. ERS is not working. Fine. Garage. Okay, turn to garage 19.
Marcus is in the pits. Marcus has pitted.
Okay. And guys, let's see. Okay, I suppose. How to bug out the game 101. Guys, you're in my car. Guys. Okay. Let's see. Pit. Lane lights. Okay, so the pits I will have to check later. For people test. Replacement. Planner reflections. Player set. Left. Play video. Playing drivers. Point to toggle. EP. That's post processing. Present, progress, proxy, yes. No, so let's go to pit. Send out a vehicle, 19. This will be funny. Or not. It will glitch out. Yep, it will glitch out. Fuck. Oops. Okay, send out all vehicles, teleport to pit. train pit, so nothing to teleport. Train enters and stop.
Okay,
Go.
box, we're adjusting the strategy. Come in this lap. We're considering switching to an alternate strategy. Do you want to change or stick
I
to
love
plan A?
messing with the games. Okay.
Start.
Yeah. Alright, just messing around with the debug mode for the game. Why did it do an auto hit? Could have done that. Never mind. Fine, so pause one. So let's pause the game, and now pit. Let's mess around. Let's see. Pit vehicle. So I can set some pit. This debug to toggle movement debug. Movement debug. Set pit lane lights. Set light state. Wait, so I could set lights to red? I wonder, I've never tried by calculating, like, for example, letting the car through with 5 seconds when you know you won't be able to get in time for greens. Do you still exit under red lights, or you just stop? I wonder. I've never tried that before. I may need to try that someday. So debug table, reflections force on, force front wing change for force 5 second penalty. Yeah, oh Jesus, pardon me. Garage IDs, play rate modifier, progress report only first crew, rendering, followers, show report, show tires, spawn, 4 people. Okay, so G, game mode create, list. So game modes so not every single game mode gets into this, and I don't know if there's a command like expand or combination like this. No, this, no, this, no, no. Okay, that's not it. Pause 1. Thank you. Just pause the game. Now, okay, so let me just think what I could try. H, maybe HBAO, so graphical settings, HDR, more graphical settings, heat map, help. Again, it won't. If I could just collision failsafe, adjustment mark, grip factors for medium vehicle. If I could, well, output the whole command list, that would be way easier. Oh, come on. H, so anything after help? MLO, high triggers Z, high triggers or trigger Z, I don't know. Upper system, hospitality, HTTP, so internet test, help connect. HUD, close illegal load, close message, HUD enable, illegal overtake, full penalty, show message. Okay, so nothing here. J, nothing. K, also nothing. L, lap times. Layer, LB, clear. Leaderboard. Probably leaderboard. Height tiling. Z, so nothing. V. VC. VC open. VC. VDB. by impulse, apply tires front by 5 here, enable fast load, tires, power mode, button extend, pause, wheel contact pause, race car, run script, set heat down constant, heat constant, rain bead, movement scale, rain bead. Come on, someone give me change for weather conditions and I will be very happy. G-force rendering, gear ratio rendering, grip rendering. Vehicle assists, toggle assists, toggle OSD, blob shows, brake, set all temp cold, set all temp hot, optimal, set brake set damage. Can damage the brakes? 19, vehicle index 0, damage 0.9. Or 1. Or can it even work? It works apparently. Now my brake is red, so apparently it is not completely warm. Very interesting. So brake wear is in the game actually. Okay, so what was that command? So, okay, so vehicles. Everything with the vehicles. So let's see, brake, chassis, collision failsafe, mass adjustment, debug log, the same. Vehicle destroy, so completely destroy. Okay, detach random part, dirt toggle debug, engine C set what? Oh, okay, control electronics, energy store, ICE, MGUH, MGUK, engine overall set damage, turbocharger, fuel set mass, front wing repair set damage, gearbox set damage, invulnerability, RTT, save BTF. Okay, so adjustment set punctured, set worn, lock fuel proportion, lock suspension damage. Wait, there's suspension damage. Apparently, telemetry, flash, graph, increase time span, set point. Okay, so that's telemetry. So trigger activators. Okay, coefficient drag max min. Set differential rear torque. That's a lot of set gearbox final drive. Wait, are you saying we can set the final drive gearbox? We can actually adjust gearbox? We can adjust gear ratio. That's impressive. Rear suspension, internal, okay. Tire, set all temp cold, set all temp hot, optimal. Burst, punctured. Temperature cold, temperature high. Optimal, set wear. Upgrades apply. Upgrades, well, probably works for career mostly. Wheel set detach. Misalign axle. What? Camber, line toe. Rest position. Okay, well, that's a lot of stuff can actually adjust here. So let's get down to that's tuning. So apparently tuning, you can set the gear ratio. vehicles, hide vehicles, select debug next node, previous node, equal performance, fuel tank, animation, field teleport to progress, vertices, video, OSD, virtual session complete, reset, show lap, timescale, toggle lap times stable, debug render vehicle, virtual safety car. So okay, so B benchmark beta. I think I found where Codemasters have actually added stuff for beta. Okay, so broadcast cameras and next vehicle, right? So use stuff. Budget dump? Question mark? I'll have to check that a bit later, but let's continue with the B. See what a mute. Okay, well, I did nothing. N netstat, so internet network commands. Okay, okay, so night shadows. That there was someone. Facing source count, no split. M marketplace, Marshall, flagwave, override logic, show debug, undersigned, throw debug text, like colors, show table, memsnap, MFD, mirrors, motion platform, progression, multiplayer, and that's it. Well, anyway, there's a lot of stuff which can be adjusted. So, and I have just, well, touched some part of it. Audio, speech. Oh yeah, I just touched a small part of the game, I suppose. So we just get into let's get away from everything. So we found that you could actually control the safety car from home, but it's currently uncontrolled. So yeah, that's a bit of a problematic situation. For now, let's just go with a bang, I suppose. Because I've been training for about 2 hours now, so yeah, 2.5. Yeah, just messing around. Rediscovered a lot of things, I suppose. So yeah, vehicle. Whoa, okay. What? My game even crashed. Oops. No, don't debug. Okay, so abort. Well, my game even crashed. That happened. So did it dump out anything? Let me just check. Yeah. Ooh, okay, but there is quite some stuff here. I will need to check at it a bit later, but yeah, for now, well, I guess for now, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this mess around at least a bit, and hopefully it was useful. Truth be told, these debug files are actually available in the Rails department forums, in the F1 2017 main forum. If you look closely at them, well, if you look closely in the forum, you'll find where to download these debug files, so you can mess around for yourself and maybe create some interesting situations, I suppose. But yeah, for now, thanks for watching. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been streaming to YouTube, so hopefully you enjoyed it nonetheless. And make sure to check out my other videos on YouTube. And anyway, thanks to everyone who watched this. Hopefully it was at least useful for some people. But for now, wherever you are, have a great rest of your day. Take care. Have a lovely Monday evening. And, well, I'll see you later, I suppose. And if you're on YouTube, check out the video below. And if you haven't, subscribe for more content somewhere there, I suppose. But yeah, for now, take care.